Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm gone in 60, and as you can see, no rain for now. It is coming back, so we decided to get out and try to do a little bit of driving for you. It's been 2 weeks straight rain, so the car is broken in. Have not been able to get out. So we're gonna do a couple of videos for you. I have since last video installed the Steeda ultralight low profile jacking rails, and I've done the air raid air filter also for it. Other than that, nothing much, but really excited to get some driving videos in for you guys. So stay tuned. Thanks. Okay guys, we're just cruising around right now. It's been a while since we've driven in the car. We're just wanting to give you some ideas of the look and feel of it. I am in my mode, which is a in track mode. And I have a little crack in the window so you can hear. Wow, sounds amazing, but just so hopefully you guys will be able to hear this. And let me merge into traffic real quick. The fun part. And just wanted to give you some of the sights and sounds. Sounds of the car itself, and you know, it's really amazing that this is, I want to remind you, this is factory exhaust. The only thing we have is the resonator is cut out, but other than that, this car sounds amazing. A little bit of traffic out today, but that's fine. We're not going to do anything crazy, anything dangerous. Just enjoying the car. Actually, we haven't been able to. It's here in Texas, it's rained for 2 weeks straight, and this is the first day of no rain. And even though it's overcast, we decided to come out and just give you guys a little taste of what we've been missing. Let's see if we can pass this car. Tired of the rev match yet. You know, it's not really needed unless you're on a road course or something like that, but I just think it's kind of cool the way it gives a little blip. Let's make this U-turn and get back on the road. Losing light pretty quickly. So we get a quick first, second, and third. My wonderful wife, Mrs. Gone in 60, is filming, so I know she's having problems holding the camera straight. And there's not a whole lot of traffic out. Fourth gear pulls pretty good. Well, I can tell you, 4,500 in fourth gear is 100 miles an hour. Before you know it, it shoots up there, and all of a sudden you're doing a little bit faster than what you really want to do. So RPM in fifth gear, we're doing about 80 miles an hour. And the ride's pretty smooth for being in the track mode. Of course, I I rather track mode. My wife thinks it's a little bumpy for her taste, but you know, I'm sure she'll get used to it. Right, babe? So far, there's no complaints on the car. Now, I do have the recurl seats. I am already used to the recurl seats. I did have a 2015 EcoBoost Mustang performance package that did have the recurl seats. They take a little bit of getting used to. They do hug you a bit, and at first it kind of maybe seems uncomfortable, or you're just not used to it. But you get used to it, and I do like the way they hug you. But like I said, because I have the recurl seats, I am missing out on the heated and cooled seats. But you know, this is how the car came, and as long as it had the MagneRide suspension, which it does, and also the electronics package with the B&O sound system, that's the main two that I was looking for. So this one actually came with all three. The one I originally ordered did have only two, the MagneRide and the sound and the B&O sound system. Looks like there's a Corvette behind me that wants to know if I'm its Huckleberry or not. Trying to tailgate. Guess he got the message. Okay guys, I'm with Alfie here. We're at Mac Hike Southway Ford again with my Bullitt, and they just got their second Bullitt in. And this is number 1860. And it is unspoken for right now. No one ordered this one, it just came in, and this one does not have any of the options, so this one's priced pretty good. There you go, there's sticker. Alfie, I'm gonna open it up real quick. Still got the seat coverings on them. It's got the heated and cooled seats. Does not have the recurls. Once again, this is number 1860. Nice car. Somebody's gonna get it for a good price. Got out of standard with a 501A package. And it's actually cleaner than mine since all of these butterflies started coming out. But once again, if you guys are interested, come on down. Alright guys, here's two new colors for 2019. This is Need for Green, and this color is awesome, man. It just pops. It's got the 10-speed automatic, and look at this price. Check it out. $38,825. Tell me that's not a good price. Need for Green, new color for 2019, and also Velocity Blue. Brand new. And if you can't tell, guys, there's a lot of metallic in this clear coat, and this color pops. This is my first time seeing it in person, at least, and boy, this color, I mean, just shines. Of course, this is going to be an EcoBoost, and it looks like it's a 10-speed auto also. 29.1, that's not bad for a first Mustang. But these two colors, I mean, they are, you got to see them in person, guys, because I don't think the camera will do them any justice. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. We have more to come for you, more mods, more cars, more exhaust. Please don't forget to subscribe. Ring that notification bell. That way you'll get everything when it comes out, as soon as it comes out, hot off the press. If you have some friends that are interested in this type of video and you think that they would like it, please share. And we will see you once again. I am gone in 60. Bye.